In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write link on Microsoft PowerPoint, open PowerPoint, and start fresh with a blank presentation. Beginning with a clean slide makes it easier to see exactly what you're adding and helps you control the layout. Go to the Home tab, choose New Slide, and pick the blank layout so there are no default text boxes in your way. To make your link easy to spot, we'll add a visual target first. Go to the Insert tab and open the Shapes gallery. Choose any shape you like. Buttons, rectangles, and rounded rectangles work really well for links because they look clickable. Click and drag on the slide to draw the shape, then resize it using the corner handles until it feels balanced. You can style it later, but for now, focus on getting the size and placement right. Next, still on the Insert tab, select Text Box. Click inside or on top of your shape and type something clear and action-focused, like "click here." As short direct labels help your audience know what to do at a glance. Highlight the text you just typed so we can turn it into a hyperlink. With the text selected, open the hyperlink dialog. You can do this by using the Insert tab and choosing Link, or by pressing Ctrl+K. In the dialog that appears, look for the address box at the bottom. Paste your URL there. If your link is to a video, such as one hosted on a popular video platform, first copy the link from your browser, then come back to PowerPoint and paste it into the address box. Before you confirm, click the screen tip button. A screen tip is the small tooltip that appears when someone hovers over the link during a presentation. Paste the same link there, or type a short descriptive message like "open video" so viewers know what to expect. Keeping this clear and concise improves accessibility and reduces confusion. Click OK to apply the hyperlink and then OK again to close the dialog. Your text now functions as a clickable link. If you place the text over a shape, the text is the interactive part, which is usually ideal for accessibility and consistency. You can now format the shape and text, adjust colors, change fonts, and add effects to make the link stand out while matching your slide's design. That's it. The link is ready to use. As a quick tip, when you run your slideshow, hover over the linked text to see the screen tip, and click to open the destination. This simple setup keeps your presentation clean, professional, and interactive.